So let's just multiply monomial to a polynomial. We all know that monomial has only one term, while polynomial has more than two terms. Just like, let's say for example, we multiply the monomial, which is 3x squared, and then you multiply it with the polynomial, which is 2x squared plus 5x plus 10. So how are you going to do that? So you're going to answer this by using a distributive property. So from the name itself, distributive. So you're going to distribute, alright? So what are you going to distribute? You're going to distribute your monomial to each of the term of your polynomial. So we're going to distribute it here, the second term, and to your third term. So let's just say 3x squared, you multiply it by 2x squared. So you've got, again, 3x squared. You multiply it by 2x squared. Again, in this case, you take the coefficient. So the coefficient is 3 times 2 is equals to 6, right? And then you take the variable. So x, you maintain a variable which is x. And then what are you going to do with your degree? So you're going to add the degree, all right? So you've got 4. So 6 came from 3 times 2, and then you maintain the variable which is x, and then you add the degree, all right? So we've done with this. This is done. Now, let's just proceed to the next term, which is, or to your second term, which is 3x squared, because it's this distributive property. So again, you're going to distribute your monomial to each of the term of your polynomial. That means you're going to distribute 3x squared to your second term, because we've done for the first one. So that means it is 5x. Alright? So again, take the coefficient, which is your coefficient, your 5 and your 3. So that means you've got 15. Alright? So 3 times 5 is 15. So maintain your variable, which is x. So what are you going to do with your degree? You have 2 here. Alright? And then here we have 1. Just always remember, 1 here is invisible. But it's we're going to assume if it's nothing written here on the top, that means it's 1, right? So 2 plus 1, you've got 3. Okay, so we've done with this second term. Let's just proceed to your third term, which is, again, your polynomial is 3x squared. You multiply it by 10. So in this case, you don't have a variable. You don't have any degree because you don't have variable, right? So what are you going to do? Take the number, the coefficient. 3 times 10 is 30. And then you just write your variable here. So the final answer for this one is, okay, so the first term, the answer is 6x to the fourth degree. So plus 15x cubed. That will be the answer for your second term. And then for the last term, plus 30x squared. So that will be your final answer when you're going to multiply a polynomial to your monomial.